So our company was built to solve a problem that was considerably unsolvable. How can we discover unknown threats or even discover unknown opportunities? And we do it based on academic research done by two distinguished professors that probably the best in the world. We take big data, and by using big data, we allow organizations to build a better future for themselves. So Chinese market is defined by the fact that there are many customers, and there's so much information being produced by financial companies like Alipay or others, and it's very difficult to analyze this data manually. Our solution, that as I mentioned, based on algorithms, analyzes in real time huge amount of data and allows our customers in real time to identify potential threats or discover opportunities. So we already are in touch with the major Chinese companies, and we see China as a very important market for ourselves. We think that there is a lot of synergy that allows us to use the innovative products that were developed in Israel based on academic research and the size and the power of Chinese market. We are definitely here to build our presence in Chinese market now.